Hey y'all, Fleur again with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. We have another vehicle spotlight for you. This is much anticipated. Finally, we have a Chevy Colorado. It's on some 18x10s and like 285s. Let's check it out.
Custom Offsets team stands as a team. We on top of it now. We ain't never gonna fade, so you better get ready for taking over the game.
All right, so suspension-wise, this truck has what they call a level lift in it. So it's not like a full lift kit, and it's not just a leveling kit in the front. But front suspension-wise, it does have like the puck on top. And we're not sure what brand it is because the guy who bought the truck bought it with this already installed and doesn't know exactly what's in it. But I would say it's probably about 1.5 to 2-inch level up front. So if you come in, take a look at the wheels. This is the Moto 970. You can see it's the black finish with the milled edges as well as the milled rivet style around the face of the wheel. And 18 by 9 on this one. For a lip test, I'll give you a look here. Not much, obviously, being a 9 wide, but you do still get a little bit of a lip, right around that 2-inch mark, 2.5 maybe. Front of the spoke a little less. For tires, he's got the Toyo Open Country 18's, and this is a 285/60 R18. So what that equates out to is 31.5 tall by 11.2 wide. So you can see you do get a little bulge because the tire is wider than the wheel, so it gives you a little bit of protection, you know, from curbs or bouncing off rocks or anything like that. Up front, before we go up back, I'll show you, he does have aftermarket headlights in here. I believe these are the Spider brand, so they have the LED running light, which is pretty cool. Also has an aftermarket grille on the front and then repurposes the factory emblem. Also has the cowl, I guess you can kind of call it a cowl induction hood with some custom paint work there with the two-tone. This is the Duramax diesel too. Something cool they're putting in the new Colorados. Out back, Jake is installing the tonneau cover.
Say hi, Jake.
Jake's sick, we won't show him too much. But he also has just a small block in the rear to bring it up a little bit, but you can see if you back up, it does still retain the factory rake, so the front end does sit a little bit lower than the backside. Fitment-wise on the rear, no problems there. It does have the window visors, as well as tint on the back. I don't think he has the front windows tinted. Nope, doesn't look like it. But that just about wraps it up. That is your 2016 Colorado Duramax on some 18x10s. Make sure you like us on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube, drop a comment below what else you guys want to see. Peace.